In the name of God the Compassionate and Merciful. This video is about why do women have more oxytocin, the love hormone, than men. Oxytocin is a neurotransmitter and a hormone that is produced in the hypothalamus. From there, it is transported to and secreted by the pituitary gland, at the base of the brain. It plays a role in the female reproductive functions, from sexual activity to childbirth and breastfeeding. Oxytocin is a peptide hormone and neuropeptide. And peptide is a short chain of amino acids. The amino acids in a peptide are connected to one another in a sequence by bonds called peptide bonds. Typically, peptides are distinguished from proteins by their shorter length, although the cutoff number of amino acids for defining a peptide and protein can be arbitrary. And amino acids, often referred to as the building blocks of proteins, are compounds that play many critical roles in your body. They're needed for vital processes like the building of proteins and synthesis of hormones and neurotransmitters. And protein is an important component of every cell in the body. Your body uses protein to build and repair tissues. You also use protein to make enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. Protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. And at the end, protein is a substance that has amino acids, compounds, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sometimes sulfur, and is found in many foods. An example of a protein is the type of nutrient found in meats. In short, oxytocin is a peptide hormone, and peptide is made of amino acids, and amino acids make proteins, and a definite example of protein is meat. And the following narration decodes the secret why women have more oxytocin than men. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his progeny says the strength in bones, nerves and vessels are for men, and the abundance in flesh, blood and hair, gene-wise, are for women. This narration suggests that the flesh, in another word the protein, is abundant in women. Protein are made from amino acids, and amino acids make DNAs, and DNAs make genes, and interestingly only mothers can pass on the mitochondrial genes that carry many proteins to their children. This is one of the reasons, inshallah, we will share more secrets in the future. If you would like to know more, please join our group on Facebook called Islamic Medicine Discussion Group.